Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram app not opening in iPhone. So guys, if you're using any iOS device and when you have opened your Instagram app and facing the issue that your app is crashing or not opening on your iPhone. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you have to open your settings on your iPhone and make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. So guys, if you have already connected with Wi-Fi, you need to forget this network and reconnect it again with your iPhone. And guys, if you're using mobile data, make sure that you have selected 4G or 5G network on your device and click on general. So guys, now you need to check your VPN connection. If you have connected any VPN, simply you need to disconnect that VPN. After doing this, you have to go back. After this, you need to reset your network settings, and guys, after this you need to check that your problem has been fixed or not. So guys, if still not fixed your problem, no need to worry, you have to open your app store on your iPhone. And guys, now from here you need to search your Instagram app. And guys, after this you need to open your Instagram and update your app if not updated. And guys, after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fixed your problem, you have to open your settings again, scroll it down, click on general, click on iPhone storage. So guys, from here you need to find your Instagram and you need to offload your app, and after doing offload you need to reinstall again. And guys, after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.